What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Glad you're tuning in. Sorry about my tired look. It's been a long couple days here, but just wanted to make another video for y'all. We are going to another car show. It's a back to school bash for the kids since they're about to start school again. So I figured I'd go check it out, make another video, see what kind of cars there are, and we'll see how it is. Guys, I will be posting more videos in the future. I'm trying to build a house right now, so finances can kind of get a little on hold and putting stuff as far as modding, but I will be installing stuff later and doing more stuff, but y'all know how it is, guys. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out this car show. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys, and thank y'all for supporting me. Let's go. Oh yeah. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get in. Gotta watch the door. Hop in, put my key here. Alright, guys, so we made it to the show. I already wiped down the car. It looks great. You can see it right behind me here. But I'm gonna go ahead and do some rounds, see what all's here. There's plenty of cars here, and they got music playing in the background. They're gonna have raffles and stuff, so let's go ahead and check it out, see how it's going, and we'll get it underway. Alright, guys, so we're gonna start off with this classic Dodge Charger that I parked right next to. Reminds me of the Fast and the Furious Dom Toretto. Got the side exit exhaust. Check out the inside. A little bit of the back. That thing is clean. A little damage on it though, but that's okay. You don't see too many days on the road. And then of course you got your beauty right here. Alright, guys, and then you got mine. Looks legit. So clean. Everything's shined up on it. Beautiful as ever. Can't wait to get the blower on it right there. Go follow your boy, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Help a boy out. Help your boy out. You got the shot of mine. Looks real clean. And then right next to it, you got a couple more classics just going down the line over there. We'll get those in just a second. 50s style, man. That's clean. Then you got this one here. The bikes are revving in the back. Chevelle SS. Let me get just a shot of this. Hang on. Here's a shot of the interior. Oh my God, look at the bear. All right, we're just gonna keep making it down the road, guys. We got a couple more over here. Wow, check this out. Hood's propped up. You can see all the engine works right here. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Got the racing seats in there. Back of the truck. And then you got your Camaro RS. Another Chevelle over here. Classics like crazy. Check out this one. Look at all the chrome on that. Tires in the back. That looks cool. And then that one over here. All right, guys, and we found that Titan C8. He came out. I love all the Thanos Marvel theme that he's got going on. That's just so cool right there. And then he's got Thanos in the windshield. A couple other Loki, Vision. We'll get a shot of his ride. Super clean, super clean. Let me get a side shot. Yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. And you got another classic Mustang over here. I like that blue. Let me get a shot of the inside real quick. Black leather interior, looks really good kept. There you go. And then you've got another Chevelle SS. I like the red. That looks really nice there. You see the huge engine in there. Little shot at the back. Look at that. And then right next to it, just a couple other cars over here. Got a Bel Air right about there. Another classic Camaro. A Z28 over here, guys. This one looks really nice. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. This is a little shot of the interior. And we got a couple more newer. Here is a Hellcat Charger. You can follow him, 601 Kitty. And then you got the Stitch themed Challenger SRT. I was thinking of this one right here. But yeah, Challenger SRT Stitch theme, 392 Hemi. Got some Chryslers and a couple more Scat Packs over here. We got a Rat Rod. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Super tight in there. You see the engine. Gosh, look what's pulling up. You don't see too many of those. I really like this 5.0 right here. It sounded pretty nice when it was coming in. It's like my theme. Look, red and black. Red. But Stang GT350 bumper. 5.0 on that. Real nice. He's got the Toyo proxies, the R88s. I really want some for mine. I'm probably gonna go 305. I've heard a lot of good things about them, but man, I really like that back end too. That looks really nice. I just like how when you look at it from this angle, you can see the tires like coming out the side. You can see how much tire wall you see back there. That's so aggressive. That staggered look. I'll do something like that for mine, but it'll kind of stick out a little more when I get the 305s versus the 285s. But let's keep making the rounds. Got another Mustang over here. You don't see too many of that generation. A couple more classics. And then you got a couple Fox bodies over here. Look at this one. I like the red one over here. That looks nice. Then you got a 5.0 swapped Fox body. That thing's quick, you know that's true. And here's another one. It's got a snake on the side though. Is it a Cobra? Let's see. Guys, we got a Slingshot over here. Royal Exotic Rentals. I guess if you want to rent some of these, you can. There's that one. It's a nice GT4 Porsche. Look at that. That thing is clean. Carbon fiber wing on the back. Man, that is nice. And check out this Mercedes. V8 bi-turbo on the side emblem. Another big Wayne gang carbon fiber AMG GTS. That is pretty cool. And then check it out, guys. We have the Pizza Planet truck. Pixar's Toy Story. Look, Buzz trying to help Woody right there. Look at that. Look at that. Dude, this car, this truck, that's probably one of my favorite ones out of this place. That's so cool. That is so cool. Look at that. Look at that. Pizza Planet logo up there. Man, dude. I like that. That's cool. Check it out, guys. Look, we have a little pug. We got a little puggy. Look at him shaking his tail. He's excited. He's so excited. You have to stay there. Don't follow me. You have to stay there. Good boy, good boy. Check this out, guys. Look at this. Guys, check out this Bronco. I think it's a Bronco. That looks sick. Oh, look at the little doggy right there. Like an English Bulldog. There's International on the front grille. Guys, check it out. It's Dwight Schrute's Trans Am. Look at that. Ah, that's so cool. Alright guys, well, I think that's pretty much a wrap. The video is pretty much done. We've seen everything. Good little show. So let's go ahead. We're going to end the video here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks guys. This is the Road Out until the next video. Peace.